Hey Mads. What's up, Sam? Alright, so today we are gonna do a competition and we're gonna do thrift flips. And then we're gonna see who can do the best thrift flip for each other. So I'm gonna buy something.
And then I'm gonna buy something, and then my thing will be thrifted by me to make something for Sabrina.
Yeah, and I'm gonna buy something and to make it for Mads, and then we're gonna show each other what we bought and how we changed it to make it not look so ugly. If you like it and you like our type of channel, then make sure to subscribe because we really appreciate it, and then leave a like or a comment with anything you have to say, and let's get in the video.
So right now we're gonna go inside and I'll get something for Sabrina, and then Sabrina's gonna get something for me, and it's gonna be something that has potential but is a little ugly. Should we go for something that's like an ugly shirt, or should we go for something that's like an ugly dress? Whoa, look at the buttons on that. So like,
wow.
I was thinking this, maybe like as a skirt. Do you like these better, or do you like this better? Because I feel like, I don't know, is there much you can do with this? I think this one.
Yeah, probably.
I don't want to try this one.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the shirt that I ended up getting for Maddie. It's like this button up right here, and then I think I'm definitely gonna crop it, and then I don't know what else I'm gonna do with it, but I definitely don't want it to look like this when I'm done. It was $3. Perfection. Perfection. Okay. I need to crop it to the second button. Okay.
So, I want to say a few things before we start. 1, I'm not a sewer. 2, yes I am wearing pajama pants. So what I think I'm going to do is, so this is the shirt. Originally I was thinking a wrap skirt, but I don't think that I have enough material to do that. So I'm going to make a button skirt out of this because I already have the buttons, and there's definitely enough material for that. And then I think I'm going to try and make a tank top type situation out of the sleeves. We'll see how that goes.
So the first thing I want to do is cut off the tags and the labels. I don't want to measure it, so I'm just going to go with it. I'm just going to play it. Play it by ear. Play it how I feel.
I don't know how to do this. So I already messed up. I made it really uneven, but we'll fix it.
Okay, now I think I'm going to cut off the collar.
So the game plan is that we're hoping that Grant and Sabrina have the same size braids.
Okay, I think I'm gonna cut off some of the sleeve and make it shorter. I think I'm gonna cut off these like little lapel looking things. Is that what a lapel is? Okay, yeah, I think this would be cute. I think I'll leave it like that, and I think I'm gonna make a headband real fast. This doesn't fit my head.
I was debating on whether I was going to add a button right here, but my mom and I couldn't figure out how to do the button setting on the sewing machine, and it's about 11:10, 11:15, somewhere in there right now. So we're not going to do an extra button. But we do have a skirt. Woo! And we'll see it on Sabrina tomorrow. Also, my mom succeeded in making a little matching scrunchie. Okay, see you guys tomorrow on Sabrina's here.
This is my final product before I show it to Maddie. Okay, so we both made our thing. 1, 2, 3. Skirt, and a scrunchie. It's a button-up shirt. I was gonna make a headband, but none of the fabric was long enough to where it would actually go around your head. Interesting. And then it's a scrunchie. Wow, you made a scrunchie. It was a shirt before. Wow, it was a shirt before? Wow. You wanna try yours on first? Sure. Okay. Yes. Okay. Hey, that looks pretty good. It's very short. I cut to the second one because that's what it measured on me, but I didn't think that you had boobs. You know what? I like it.
It's cute.
I feel like you would buy that.
I would buy it.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Here she comes. Wow. It's a little big or small. I don't know.
It's a little small here,
Okay.
but then it's really big here.
Okay. Fixable.
If it was like this,
Then
but
yeah.
also let out a little bit.
Yeah.
This is like bursting.
Okay. But overall, I made a skirt.
Overall, you made a skirt. Look,
I know, isn't that cute?
scrunchy.
Matching scrunchie.
It really looks to be a really small ponytail.
Yeah, my mom made that. Ooh, oh, I like that. Yes. I need to back up to see. You have a long runway, and I like it. Ooh. Ooh. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. See you next Sunday. See you next Wednesday. Wednesday or Sunday. Bye.